Oh my gosh, this is cute. Hey guys, it's Alyssa Marie here. Welcome back to my channel and my new studio. Do you guys see this? I think this is kind of cute. I think it's kind of cute. Let me know what you guys think about the new look in the comments. But for today, we are gonna get on into this hairstyle, y'all. Let me give you a little close-up, Yes, I actually am really excited by how this hairstyle came out. I love it. There's something different, and believe me, this is actually pretty simple to do. So, if you are interested in seeing how I was able to create this look, then just continue to watch. Okay, so I am starting with kind of crazy hair. I had this up in like a poof earlier, so it just looks a little crazy right now. And I'm gonna start first by kind of spraying the front of my hair so that it can make it easier to part. I always like to make my hair a little bit damp because it just makes it a little bit easier to like glide the comb through it. So let's go ahead and do that. To dampen my hair, I am using my DIY spray. As always, I always talk about this. It's literally just a mixture of water and conditioner. It's like a very lightweight conditioner so that it doesn't cause any like buildup or anything like that. Okay, so nice and damp. I'm gonna go ahead and part out the section here. So I'm just gonna use a comb. A lot of people like to use tail combs, but I personally find these easier. I just use this end to kind of pull it through. That's just what works for me. Use whatever floats your boat. Alright, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and tie away the rest of my hair so that it can be like out of the way while we do our little design. Boom. Okay, looking a little crazy. So now I want to make sure this section is more damp so it's even more easy to do all the parts. So just gonna go ahead and spray some more of this spray and comb through a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Alright, so the leave-in conditioner that I'm going to use is the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In Detangling Hair Treatment. It's just a really nice and moisturizing leave-in conditioner that I love, and it smells really good, and I'm really just trying to like detangle this out, so it's just making the style as easy as possible to execute. Alright, so now I'm going to take the comb and part this whole section down the middle in half. Alright, so I've pinned the bottom half away, so we're dealing with this part first. And we're gonna do like 3 of those little ponytail things. So you want to go ahead and part like the first third in the front here. Alright, so then we're gonna go ahead and just grab a rubber band and secure the first third of hair right here. I'm also gonna grab my Camille Rose Curl Maker to get these edges nice and slick back. I just want this to look like super clean. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and release the second half, and I've pinned back the other top pieces of those, and I'm going to go ahead and part the first third of this one down here. So same thing, I'm going to go ahead and add the gel to my edges to make it slick and then secure it with an elastic band. Alright, so we got these two, and I'm going to go ahead and release this top one here. Okay, and then we're now going to take out our second third of the top row. Alright, so before I section the second one here at the top and secure it with an elastic band, I want to kind of do like a shoelace thing with these twirlies, if that makes sense. So kind of do like a crisscross applesauce. So I'm going to take this bottom one, twirl it with my finger, and then combine it with this second one here at the top, and then secure them together with the elastic band. If that doesn't make sense in words, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I mean right now. Ta-da! So as you can see, this one is kind of connected up back, and then the next thing we're gonna do is create this one to crisscross, and now you can kind of see the whole design coming together. So again, just repeating the same thing for these other two. Here's a little close-up of how it looks so far. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat those same steps to complete the last little crisscross. Alright, so now that we have our crisscrossies all crisscrossed, I'm gonna go ahead and take these excess of hair and just kind of roll them into like a cute little top knot each. So we'll have like 2 little top notches to make this like super edgy and super cute. So to create the top knot, I'm pretty much just gonna continue twirling it and twirling it until I get it like in the shape that I want it. Like I kind of wanted it to stick up a little bit like this. Yes, cute. So just gonna go ahead and secure this one with an elastic. All right, and then just gonna do the same thing to the other one. We've got our little top knots. I think these are so cute, so edgy. It's just gonna take the style to like the next level. All right, so now we gotta take out the rest of the hair and kind of style it, get it nice and fluffy, and get these curls popping. So to get these curls back in action, I'm gonna go back in with my DIY spray as well as my curl maker to kind of get some definition going again. Now, I'm not gonna spray it too much because for this style, you kind of want volume, and when my hair is wet, the volume is a little bit lower. So I'm not gonna wet it like too much so we can keep some of this volume going. So as you can see here, there's a little bit of frizz going on in the front. Attack that with some curl refresher spray. And then add the curl maker, and it's about to be lit. Alright guys, that is it for this look. I actually really love how this came out. And although my hair is like still kind of damp right now, I feel like we still got a good amount of volume since we combed the products through. And as the day goes on, it's gonna get drier, which means it's gonna get bigger, and it's just gonna keep looking more and more funky and fun. I also feel like this is the kind of hairstyle that you could either dress up, dress down. Like this is pretty glam, especially with the makeup that I've got going on. I'm loving everything about this look. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did creating it for you. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Help your girl out so we can keep this natural hair community going. I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.